With the spectacular unfolding of the playoff stages of the Jamaica Premier League, the buzz, the excitement, the sold-out Sabina Park, with things all square going into the second leg semi-finals, just looking at the way the JPL has been marketed, promoted, and hyped up, I can't help looking forward to the 2026 World Cup qualifiers set to kick off at home in 1 month's time. We're talking about the Jamaican national team with international star players, with all the glamour, the drama, and the spectacle that come with a World Cup qualifying campaign. I can't help wondering if the JFF taking notes from the PFJL in how to get the Jamaican fans into the stands. By any stretch of the imagination, and with all due respect to the JPL, but the Reggae Boys World Cup squad going into World Cup qualifying is a bigger, better, more marketable product. So the JFF needs to take all the notes from the PFJL and load up the wagon. Because we're going to need all the vibes, all the energy, and all the excitement the JPL is now generating and more to get the Reggae Boys back to the promised land.